Cannot change password on Acorns Later distinct product fix. If you can't change your password on Acorns Later, you're not alone. Many users try updating it through the retirement section or settings tab, only to find the option missing or unresponsive. But the surprising truth is Acorns Later uses the same login as your main Acorns account, and that's exactly where the fix begins. Here's what to do. Open your browser and go to Acorns.com. Click on Login, then select Forgot Password. Enter the email link to your Acorns account, the same one you use for Acorns Later. You'll receive a password reset email within a few minutes. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or promotions tab. Click the reset link in the email, then create a strong new password that includes letters, numbers, and at least one symbol. Once you've set it, return to the Acorns app and sign in again. Your new password will automatically apply to all Acorns products Invest, Later, and even your spend account. If the reset doesn't seem to work, clear your browser cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. Cache login data is a common reason why users keep seeing incorrect password after a successful reset. And here's something most people get wrong: you can't change your Acorns Later password separately from your main account. Since all Acorns services are linked under one login, updating it once updates them all. So if you ever can't change your password on Acorns Later, remember, the solution is in your main Acorns account. Use the Forgot Password option on their website, and you'll be back in your account securely and stress-free in just a few minutes.